months, right, we've been experimenting on various products, right? We've been experimenting on various hypotheses. So um, in our efforts, right, we came across this problem statement in the HR tech, right? And we started actually solving this problem one by one, right? So we're currently working with few clients actually to solve the certain hiring related problem. So but as we were progressing, we realized that there was certain issues that were there in the industry, right? And starting with a simple job board, right? Creating a simple job board. Most users that I came across started using Google Forms, but Google Forms is a very difficult tool to use when you are gathering applications, right? You can export it into an Excel sheet, but if you want to segregate the users, send email to to candidates, schedule assignments or schedule interview, that becomes like a pain point. Again, you can actually move it into mail merge and actually then do some put it into a email CRM system or something like that. But overall, Google Form seems to be a very painful way of actually doing hiring. So we thought, let's actually launch a very free tool, right, that people can use to actually put up all their jobs, right? Get application form, customize their application form for that particular job, get it into a segregated state, and then push it out. So this is a product that we came up with called joinus.team. So if you're an organization wants something like document.ai.joinus.team, right? Joinus team, right? You can get your own URLs, or you can even white label it called document.ai slash career, right? It's a white labeled solution. You can actually build your own career page. You can hold your own job board. That is something that we started with. Let me share what we have built with you through the product actually. So here we have the product, right? So this is joinus.team. Basically, you can create your own job board actually. You can customize it. So if you're using Google Forms, the problem is actually managing the candidates, responding with them, right? You need a systematic way to filter them. So what happens, you get something like this. You create a job post, you have a detailed structure out here, you can apply to it. Candidates can apply to it, they get a form something like this, right? They can actually make changes, submit this particular application form, right, with their CVs and all the details, right? and and once you've logged in, right, you so this is our this thing. We've got some opening in operations actually. So if you see the application form, it's just like a Google form. You can customize your form, put conditions to all these things, right? If once you've applied, right, this goes to our backend dashboard. So let me show you a dashboard, how it looks like. Something like this, right? We've got a segregated list of candidates out here, and their details, their CV coming here, right? You can message them, okay? And then there are certain workflows that you can create. For example, here I've created a workflow where I put some rules in. Someone applies, send them this particular template. If you actually check that template message, it's basically a welcome message. If you actually reject or archive a candidate, automatically a rejection email has been sent. If you're actually inviting someone for an interview, a particular email has been sent. All these templates can be created by default, and all these templates can be used across your job. So they have these placeholders, and you can just add those placeholders will get automatically added up, and you get custom messages. All right. So when a candidate applies, he or she actually gets an email from the team saying that, hey, we are processing your CV, and this can be customized for your requirement. They send their CVs. You can actually see all the CVs. It's a very comprehensive view actually. You can put tags onto it. um, you can filter the candidate based on experience. You can, whatever questions you ask them, right, you can filter it on these questions. Is he an immediate open candidate? Is he you can put what is the experience, minimum experience you're looking at, right now. So we started with this actually, and we started testing it out. So you can filter these candidates down to the level where you can even archive them, or you can even when you're hiring them, right? You can put them in multiple things. Again, these streams again can be customized as per your requirements. So currently, what I have is like inbox screening, interview, decision, offer. You can actually add more steps to it, right? You can add your members, you can add your folks to the list, right? You can add your domain. So once you add your domain, you can actually send custom emails from your own email ID. So candidates will get emails from your custom domain. Actually, this is what we are trying to build. Actually, this is the first phase, I would say. Sorry, the first phase we launched, and we're getting some responses. So this is a publicly launched product, but what we are actually building on the behind is an AI module which actually automates this entire process. So HR can actually co-pilot the AI can work as a co-pilot for this recruiter, or actually an autopilot. So in our one of our experiments with the client, we what we did was we processed around 25,000 profiles, right, in a week. We selected 3 candidates, conducted interviews. The AI conducted interviews. We have not productized it. It is actually like a result as a service, right? We started doing it for some of our clients as a result as a service, where we process volumes of CVs, AI interviews them. Phase one of that, to launch it publicly, we've launched this out as a job board, where you can actually have a very beautiful job board coming in. Yeah, so there is a pricing plan that is there, but you can actually sign up for free actually to get basic job boards, and you can use this link to stream all your LinkedIn. Can People who are applying on your LinkedIn platform, job platform, can come to this particular can be streamed into this platform. So people who apply on LinkedIn can actually be streamed into the ATS system, and you can take it further from there. I'll be actually on in the next sessions. I'll actually talk about more how we actually introduce certain workflows, AI modules, and things like that as we go in, as we build in and put it in public, right? Love to hear some feedbacks. If anyone wants to drive a job, our portal, right? Our job board. You can just go to joinus.team, and you can just sign up. Actually, so thanks for listening to me, and hope you can give us some feedback on the product.